This is an old picture that I made, old pixel artwork. It's on a photocopy, so this is where this is a bit shiny. And I thought this is the perfect atmosphere mood for today, because we're in this Zen mode, like calming down, more peaceful. We still did a lot of work today, Malaysia and I, but I thought now we're at the river in Helenantar, in the Valley of Helena, if you would translate it to English. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. This is about 4 years old, but it just came to mind today and I wanted to show it and wish you a happy, peaceful, blessed day, and keep creating and inspiring others.